Show me your gifts.
Let's see. Show Uncle Tyler.
Whoa. Jeez. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Ah, there you go.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Can you guys say He has risen?
He has risen.
Can you say that, Lukey? He has risen?
Happy.
Okay.
What'd you guys get here, huh?
I got this and candy.
Oh, nice. Get a little monster truck.
I got a monster ball.
Yeah.
Where's the bowling kit? Go get the bowling kit. David, where is it? Hey, David, grab a bowling kit.
I love the bowling.
Champ out here.
Oh yeah, he's up there.
Champ, get over here. Hey.
Let's see.
Little
Okay,
butthead,
Lukey,
get
put
over
it
here.
down, David, let me get your picture. Lukey. Okay.
Oh, you got a little bowling set too.
And I have a golf.
David,
Yeah.
David, you gotta sit down with your brother. Sit down with your brother. There you go. It keeps moving.
It looks like that's what big thing.
God, yeah.
Should we open? Jess, you want to open the bowling thing?
Oh, there you can roll up here.
Pretty cool stuff, huh, Luke?
Can you give me the bowling thing?
You want me to open it?
Yeah. And I want to open up
That lady, the Cheryl Loom that I introduced all of you to.
Yeah, yeah.